Now that you know how to take Cornell notes, we need to talk about how to review those notes and actually use them to study for a test. Say I have a complete set of notes and I want to go through and pick out some main ideas. I could just take my highlighter and go crazy down the page, or I could do the Cornell way. You guys should each have a checklist of different things to do. The Cornell way has you use this list 3 separate times. So you want to pick 3 things to do. I'm going to pick the first one, the symbols with numbers 1, 2, and 3. I'm also going to pick circling keywords. And then I'm going to pick the asterisk, the little star, number 7. So those are the 3 I'm going to use. When you're doing this, you want to do one at a time. So I'm going to start with this one, number 1. I'm going to number my notes every time there's a new concept or main idea. So looking through my notes, it looks like the very first part of my notes is talking about the idea of how the continents used to be stuck together. So that's going to be the first item. It looks like as I move down my notes, then it starts talking about maps. So see how everything's just jumbled together? That's why I need to number where my idea changes. And now I have main ideas that are about maps on down the page. So I'd go through my notes doing that. Then after I go through all my notes on the first item, I'm choosing this one, circling key terms. So it looks like I have some notes where maybe plate tectonics is a key term, Pangea is a key term, continental drift. These are all places where I had a word with a definition next to it, so these are all key terms. Map legend. The third thing I'm going to do is going through one more time and doing asterisks. It looks like it's going to be for things that might be on a test. So sometimes there might be some overlap, like maybe I think this is going to be on a test, so I might put an asterisk there. Maybe different types of maps might be on a test. This technique is handy if your teacher has talked about the test and what might be on it. I would review with that one. You can also take a highlighter and highlight some key terms, but now it's time to practice. Use your Cornell note revision checklist, pick 3, go through your notes 3 times, and then you're actually ready to study from them.